Welcome to Static Model Mayhem. We are starting a new series today. We'll be building Trumpeter's Arleigh Burke DDG-51, 1/350th scale. It's the start of a new series for the channel. So let's see what's in the box. We have some photo etch pieces. That's Trumpeter's original photo etch fret. Not bad, but it wouldn't be enough. I'll be using some spare ladders, some leftovers from various kits, basically safety nets, because be aware, for this kit and for all of Trumpeter's Arleigh Burke models, you don't have enough safety net pieces. So let's go. With my trusty small pair of scissors. Funnels are going to be an issue. We might have to sand the radar antennas. Not bad. Two identical sprues, by the way. These are sprues D. It's a full hull affair. Let's release it from its bag. Nice protection for this piece here. This is the hull we'll be working with. As you can see, it's a lot smaller and more manageable than the little monster that we've built on our previous series. This will have to be sanded down. They're over scale. Way too large for 1/350. That's the interesting part. Bridge windows and the helicopter piece are in transparent plastic. Nice. I might be tinting those with dark blue or something. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see when the time comes. Next one. Of course, you have to use a small and tiny, specifically made for models scissors. Joking, of course. Let's move to the superstructure. Ladder, it's going to be replaced. Doors, it depends. We'll see. We'll see. That's the gun barrel. Antennas for the back. Pieces of superstructure. I'll be using this as a template to paint markings on the helipad. Hello, goodbye. Sonar. I might have to scribe this one to make it more distinguishable. Propellers, good enough. Mast. The mast is going to be a problem. Arleigh Burke masts are very, very busy. Very busy. And I'm going to have an issue trying to replicate it. As usual, if I get to up to 80% close to the actual thing, I'll be more than happy. So we'll do something. We'll manage. Parts of the superstructure. Nice molded details. Very nice molded detail. We have the ECM wiring here. Your typical stand, usual trumpeter stand. I'm not gonna bother opening this. More pieces of the superstructure. Ah, they're small and tiny. Scissors. That's the back of it. USS Arleigh Burke class destroyer DDG-51. We might need something here. I'm not sure. How does that look? Not bad. Not bad. Could be better. Could be worse. So far, it's looking good. Not great, not terrible, but sufficient. As you know, I'm not going for 100% at each of my builds. That's the deck. Again, I'm going to use this as a template for markings. Vertical launch systems. It's missing a hatch here and some photo etch cabling. Rear vertical launch. An additional piece, should you want to build it as a waterline, like so, which I am not planning to do. We'll be going full hull as usual. Come on. Something like this. Something like this. It's a good kit. It's a good kit, decent kit, and I highly recommend it, especially for its price. We have the decals, numbers, markings. We have a full color painting overlay. Let me open this one up. Oh, it's going to be beautiful. It's going to be beautiful. Fantastic. I love it already. And the instructions, which, let's see if trumpeter, yeah, it's the same thing again. They're suggesting you put the whole upper deck, all the superstructure, as the final step to the hull. Not going to do that. Definitely not going to do this. Here we have the parts. Decent enough photo etch fret. Busy bow. A lot of bits on the deck. All these ladders are going to be replaced with photo etch parts. And here's the main problem of this kit. You don't get enough photo etch pieces for the helicopter safety net. If this kit has one flaw, this is it. I have some spares and we'll manage. Funnels are going to be hard to hide all the seams. Right. Another thing that's going to be tricky is the firefighting equipment. Right here, we're going to need, I'll try to scratch build those fire hoses, especially in the front. And the mast couldn't use a bit of help, especially underneath. You have some pieces here. Yeah. It's gonna be tricky. Interesting. On Hobby Boss's 1 to 700 scale, let me show you this. The mast bracings are offered as photo etched. Here, trumpeter goes with plastic. Good enough, I would say. Then it's telling you to build the rear superstructure. Place both of those on the deck. Some additional pieces. I'm not quite sure what this is. I'll have to research that. Life rafts. And yeah, some sense. It's telling you that on the penultimate stage, you install the propellers, the A-frames, and the shafts with the sonar. Actually, we might be doing this a lot faster. So there we are. This is going to be our next project. Besides my references, I'll be following Patrick's build on an Arleigh Burke in 1 to 200 scale. It's an excellent build. Shout out to Patrick. And I hope that I can get close to your build. I hope I can get as close as I can to your build. Here we are then. Start of a new adventure. The next ship on the line. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Take care.